Welcome to our channel. We're Marcus and Patrizia, and in 2023 we decided to take time off to travel full-time for 3 months. From the bustling streets of Asia to the vibrant landscapes of South America, join us on this incredible journey as we discover the world and capture these moments to share with you. As our passion for travel continues, you will always find us somewhere on the map. Today we have a really fun day planned here in Chiang Mai. Our first thing on the itinerary was a cooking class. So we booked that last night and we're waiting to pick up. We're to have a local market tour first and then we'll cook. I think it was like 10 dishes in total.
Something like 10.
Yeah. Really excited. Just waiting to pick up and we'll bring you along for the day. Right now is coconut dipped in syrup with ginger and peanuts. They look like these. Oli. Bit of this coconut. Bit of ginger. And bit of peanuts.
Sweet?
Very good. And ginger.
You'll have to make me one. So now we're trying a dessert or a snack made fully of palm. Like this is palm meat, palm sugar and palm leaf. You eat all of it apart from the palm leaf. And it's actually quite hot, so it's interesting. It's a warm meal. It literally tastes like a sponge cake.
Really?
Extra
I'm so
well.
excited to try it.
It's really good. I can imagine that as a sponge cake.
The lady made it fresh in this pot and then they sell it, yeah. Wow. I don't know, that's what palm meat is like.
The sugar, you will see the brown one, right? This one is canned sugar.
Okay.
Canned sugar.
Canned sugar.
Also, someone you will see the brown or the white one inside. That one is coconut. When you eat it, just take it like this and then
Oh, Thai donut.
you can share.
Yeah, trying Thai donut. Nice. Tastes very mapley actually.
Similar to yum yum, you know, those pastries.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Made Thai salad, which was really cool. Now we're making spring rolls. I think these are going to be the fried ones. The lady earlier made the filling. She showed us how, and now we rolled them like this.
So Patrizia is frying her spring roll. It literally takes 6 seconds and it's ready. And if you want it extra crispy, you just leave it in there longer. She wants it crispy. Cool.
I'm making a red Thai curry. I made this paste. I've got the vegetables here chopped up.
And I'm making a massaman curry, which has potatoes.
Is carrots okay or?
It's okay.
Curry.
Have you tried the potato? That's like the main ingredient of this.
Awesome.
Can I try mine? I also added more sugar, so it's actually quite sweet. Or red curry, but it's really good. Food. This is their
Don't
salad.
eat the lemongrass.
So the Aka people, I've seen them, are more from northern Thailand, aren't they?
Not many of them left.
400,000. Yeah. And their food is supposedly healthier than Thai. It's more just organic.
And they eat with their fingers. That's why I'm eating my fingers.
So yeah, this is literally just a fresh salad. It's chopped up cucumber, tomato, peanuts, and a couple of sauces.
Just lime juice.
Lime juice, yeah?
Yeah.
Very good.
Red pepper and
I have a coconut chicken soup. Oh, it's really nice. This time I didn't add a lot of spice, so it's fine.
Right, is this a tom yum?
Yeah, that's a tom yum.
Try it. Very nice. So today we are at the national park in Thailand, and we're going to be reaching the highest point in Thailand. But right now, before that, we did stop to see this waterfall. Apparently, from what I can remember, it's like 70 meters high. It's insane, like there is no rain, but because of the crashing of the waterfall, the water just splashes and mists the whole area. So if you do visit here, you should probably bring a poncho, but it's not too bad. Like, if you haven't got a rain jacket or a poncho, it's not the end of the world. It's still a beautiful waterfall, and like all you can hear is just the water crashing down into the rocks. Right now we've made it to the top of the national park, and it actually happens to be this area, the highest point in Thailand, which is pretty cool because we didn't plan to go to it. Behind us there is actually a shrine with the previous king who made this whole national park protected, so future generations can enjoy it. So yeah, he's resting here, and
So is his daughter.
oh, and his daughter.
Yeah, as well. And then yeah, that's the sign for the highest point. It's 2,565 meters is the highest point in Thailand. And what's really cool is everything here is so mossy. I'm assuming because it's always quite humid and wet here, but yeah, literally a proper jungle. We arrived at the pagodas. They're built for the king here in Thailand, and unfortunately today it's like quite cloudy, so we can't see the full view, but it's still beautiful. The gardens around it is like nice flowers and everything. And I think the people over there are doing their gardening. They are just literally throwing their old flowers onto the ground.
And yeah, one pagoda is for the king and one pagoda is for the queen. They're called the king and queen pagodas. Yeah.
Now we're gonna go up one.
So now we've made it to the elephant sanctuary. Here the elephants, their trunks are insanely strong, and they just wrap around you. And they eat about 300 to 400 kilos of food a day, which is insane. There was like 10 minutes ago a basket filled with bananas. She's eaten them all. Explains why some of them can weigh 3 to 4 tons.
But African they will have at least 1 ton.
Oh, this is the difference, yeah?
Yeah, different.